Assalamu alaikum beautiful people. You can see this is RCC top beam, and this beam is designed for 3-story commercial building. Now I will discuss practically its steel reinforcement details the front of you. Guys, they provided total 6 numbers of steel rods. At the bottom 4 steel rods which dia is 16 millimeter. At the top 2 steel rods which dia is also 16 millimeters. And the depth of this beam is, with concrete cover, 18 inches, and its width is 1 feet, means 12 inches. Now guys, you can see also its stirrups details. The spacing is 4 inches, and the dia of the stirrup is 8 millimeter. But guys, here you can see something wrong, which is in hooks. So the hooks are bent with 90 degree, but it should be bent with 135 degree. You can see clearly, guys. So also at the end of the support, they didn't provide crank bar or extra bars. You can see clearly. The spacing is for stirrups. The stirrup spacing is okay, because at the its maximum, which is about 6 inches, but at the end of the support it's about 4 inches. So it's okay, guys. But here I will tell you something new. Here guys, you can see, you cannot see any development length at the end. So the development length should be provided at the end, with which length should not be less than 14 inches. But here guys, you can't see any extra bar or crank bar to resist shear stresses. So look here, guys. At this point, they should provide crank bar, which is economical. But if they don't provide the crank bar, so they should provide extra bars on the junction between beam and column. Also guys, the stirrup is wrong. That's why, because hooks are bent with 90 degree, it should be provided with 135 degree, and the spacing is okay for the stirrups. As I told you guys in many videos, that at the bottom of the beam we should provide minimum 4 steel rods, especially for commercial building, minimum. But at the top you should try to use 3 steel rods, okay? Also you can at the sides you can also provide steel rods. That's why, because actually all these things depend on the structure load. But if you don't have the structure design, if you don't have any idea, so then you should try to put factor of safety, FOS, factor of safety, to increase the strength of structure according to the against load. Okay guys, thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.